Hello, everyone. If you can listen to English podcasts every day, but you still cannot speak fluently, this video is for you. I promise you, after watching this video, you will understand how to speak English like a native speaker. But don't forget, for speaking English fluently, you don't need heavy study. You just need to listen daily. In this episode, I'm going to show you how listening alone can train your brain to speak naturally. We need to know how native speakers think and how they build sentences. Okay, let's start. The first word is get. Maybe you already know the first meaning of this verb. I want to give you an example. I get a message every morning. I'm talking about a daily routine, but I can use it in a different tense. I'm getting a message right now. I'm talking about now. It's so important to notice the grammar tenses. You cannot use one structure, one tense, in different situations. Listen carefully. I get a message every morning. Perfect. I'm getting a message right now. The next meaning is so excellent. Something changes into a different state. For example, I get tired every afternoon. It means that after some hours, I become tired. Or, that story got me curious. Got is past tense of get. Listen carefully. I get tired every afternoon. That story got me curious. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you. The next one is take. It is one of the best verbs that you should know. It has two meanings. The first one is a little simple. When you want to hold something and carry it, you can use take. For example, I can tell you, take my hand. Take my hand. It means that hold my hand and come with me. Take my hand. Or, I cannot take this bag. I cannot take this bag. It means that I can't carry this bag. Listen carefully. Take my hand. I cannot take this bag. And the next meaning is so useful. It means that something needs a certain amount of time. This trip takes 3 hours. This trip takes 3 hours. I can say it takes 2 days to finish this book. It takes 2 days to finish this book. Don't forget to use it before takes. It takes a long time. It means that a long time is needed. Listen carefully. This trip takes 3 hours. It takes a long time. Thank you. Practice in the comments and write for me one sentence with take. I will check all of your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like to learn English. The next one. The next one is hold. Grip something with your hands, keeping something in your hands. Can you hold my coffee? Can you hold my coffee? It means that can you keep my coffee in your hands for a moment? Or I can say, hold the door. Hold the door. Listen carefully. Can you hold my coffee? Hold the door. Very good. The second meaning is so perfect. When you want someone to wait for a moment, you can use hold. Please hold for a second. It means that please wait for a moment. I want to hold on until tomorrow. Or I can use it for a phone call. She asked me to hold the line. It means that she asked me to wait on the phone. Listen carefully. Please hold for a second. I want to hold on until tomorrow. She asked me to hold the line. Perfect. The next one is turn. The first meaning is a noun, and it's about a moment when it's your chance to do something. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. It means that now it's your chance to do something. Wait for your turn. It means that you should wait until it's your chance. Listen carefully. It's your turn now. Wait for your turn. Perfect. And the next meaning is different, and it's a verb. Look at the key. The key is turning. it's turning. For example, the weather is changing and suddenly it turned cold. It turned cold very fast. Turn. Listen carefully. The key is turning. It turned cold very fast. Perfect. I want to know if you like this kind of episode or not. Please tell me in the comments. We have covered get, take, hold, and turn so far, and each one carries two meanings that native speakers use every single day. So keep listening closely because the next part brings 4 more powerful words that will help you sound natural without any heavy studying at all. The next one is run. It has 2 different meanings. The first one is moving fast with your legs. Run to the bus stop. Run to the bus stop. Listen carefully. Run to the bus stop. And the next meaning is a little different, and maybe you haven't heard this meaning before. It's about operating or managing something. She runs a small business. It means that she manages a small business. This machine runs on electricity. It means that electricity makes this machine work. Listen carefully. She runs a small business. This machine runs on electricity. The next one is look. The first meaning that maybe most of you know is so simple. When you want to see something with your eyes, you can use look. Look at the sky. It means that pay attention to the sky with your eyes. Or I can use it in a continuous form. I'm looking at the menu. I'm looking at the menu. Listen carefully. Look at the sky. I'm looking at the menu. Perfect. And the next meaning that is my favorite is a kind of different from the first one. It means to appear a certain way. Look at her face. She looks so happy today. It means that she appears happy. Or I can say, you look tired. You look tired. It means that you appear tired to me. Listen carefully. She looks so happy today. You look tired. Perfect. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like to learn English in the easy way. The next word is come. I want to tell you the different meanings. One of the meanings is moving toward a place. Come here. Come here. It means that move toward me right now. Come inside. Listen carefully. Come here. Come inside. And the next one is about origin, where someone or something is from. I come from a small town. It means that a small town is where I was born. She comes from Spain. It means that Spain is her home country. Listen carefully. I come from a small town. She comes from Spain. The last word is go. The first meaning is moving away from a place. I go to work every morning. I'm talking about a daily routine, but I can also say, I'm going to work now. I'm talking about right now. Listen carefully. I go to work every morning. I'm going to work now. And the next meaning is so powerful. It means to become a certain way, usually something negative or sudden. The milk went bad. The milk went bad. It means that the milk became spoiled. Or I can say, the room went silent. The room went silent. It means that suddenly everyone stopped talking. Listen carefully. The milk went bad. The room went silent. Very good. The next one is give. It has 2 meanings. The first one is so easy. Handing something to someone. Give me the book. Give me the book. It means that pass the book to me. Or I can say, she gave him a gift. She gave him a gift. Listen carefully. Give me the book. She gave him a gift. And the next meaning is not as simple as the first one. It's about giving up or stopping something. He gave up smoking last year. He gave up smoking last year. It means that he stopped smoking completely. Don't give up on your dreams. It means that don't stop trying to reach your dreams. Listen carefully. He gave up smoking last year. Don't give up on your dreams. Perfect. Now you have learned 12 powerful words with 2 meanings each. And if you keep listening to this kind of episode every single day, your brain will slowly start building sentences on its own, without you even studying a single grammar rule. This is exactly how native speakers learned their own language as children, just by listening again and again until it became natural. And now you are training your ear the same way. I want to say something that is so important. Please listen carefully and don't forget it. Most of you write and ask some questions in comments. Can you give us some advices? Can you tell us the secret to speak English fast? Guys, we don't have any strange tricks to learn and speak English. All of these episodes are the method. All of these videos are the method. All of these lessons are training your ear to understand and speak. Your biggest problem is not listening. You are just skipping episodes. And again, I can see that you ask me for some tricks. Please watch all of the episodes and watch the previous ones. I posted different slow English podcasts and different episodes to train your ear. Please don't skip them and keep listening every day. I'm here to teach you how to speak English without studying, and this channel is just for beginners. See you in the next episode. Good luck!